Welcome, here I've got Gigaset GX290 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this we get access to some more advanced camera options, and one of these buttons here is the grid line button. So by tapping on this we can turn on and turn off the camera grid lines like that. As you can see here in the background we have these lines, so this is useful when we want to use the rule of 30 in photography and making experiments with composition. So this is how it looks like. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture. They are only to help us taking better photos, and of course when we don't need it we go back to the settings in the right corner, tap on this button again, and for now they are turned off. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.